How to hide your story from specific users on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your story from specific users on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and here you're gonna find posts. Click on it. Click on the third option, which is who can see your stories. Now click on hide story from to choose who to hide your story from. Now they're gonna show you a list of your friends. If you didn't find the users you want, click on search and type the name of their profile and click on it. Select those users and click on done. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.